remains of Saqqara. Something was scratching. The archaeologists froze as they broke through the final wall. The sound echoed from the darkness ahead, slow, rhythmic, like claws dragging against ancient stones. They aimed their lights into the newly opened tomb, and the scratching stopped. But a new sound began, a low, guttural growl that vibrated through the floor. It was coming from the sarcophagus, and the lid was starting to slide open. The team didn't scream. They didn't even breathe. They just stood there, paralyzed, as two red eyes ignited in the blackness. The silence that followed was the sound of a hunt beginning.